I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my SRIRACHA Scallion steak and grilled potatoes. This one is going to give you that grill master status when you have all your friends over and they're starving. What I love is you can make the marinade the night before, get that skirt steak in there, getting all that flavor, and then the skirt steak and the potatoes can be done at the same time, one and done. Let's do it. All right, guys, so first we're gonna get working on that marinade so I can get that skirt steak in there and get it ready for the grill. We're gonna take a bunch of scallions. I like to cut off the bottoms, and we're gonna just chop them. They're gonna go in the bowl and season it up. And we're gonna add in the soy sauce, your oil of choice. You can use vegetable oil or avocado oil. I'm using olive oil here. And we're gonna add in the main ingredient, sriracha. So here we have our skirt steak. We're gonna put it in the marinade, get it in there. That smells so good. This is gonna be super packed with flavor. I love scallions. So we've got our skirt steak beautifully in there. Let me get that in the fridge and we'll work on those grilled potatoes. So I just strained my potatoes. They were in a boiling salted water for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to get them al dente. Al dente, same as with pasta. You want to have it cooked down but not fully cooked because they're going to finish cooking on the grill. So first we're going to add some olive oil, garlic powder because garlic should really be in everything. Salt and pepper. Fresh herbs with the potatoes is always the way to go. So today I'm going with parsley. So fresh chopped parsley. I'm gonna give that a little mix. Smells so good. I'm gonna add in these al dente potato wedges. So once we get those rolled in there, be gentle because they are slightly cooked. We're gonna get those on the grill along with the skirt steak. All right, so I've had my steak marinating. I'm gonna get it on the grill along with those potatoes so they cook the same time. Skirt steak cooks very quickly, so we only need a few minutes on each side. Let's get it on. Again, skirt steak does not take long. Ooh, look at that color. So I have a pellet grill. If you have a gas grill, things cook differently. So I like to put my steak near the edge. That's gonna get some color and caramelize and cook real well. And I also add my potatoes around the edges as well, just to get those grill marks. We're almost done. I think we're gonna start plating. We're ready to start plating. Look at that color on that steak. How good does that look? So when you take your steak off, you wanna make sure to let that baby rest. We're gonna slice it in about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna start getting the potatoes off as well. They're looking perfect. All right, so I'm gonna start slicing this beauty so that I can plate it and give it a try. It is so juicy. I cannot wait. It is perfectly cooked. Ready, guys? Look at that. Perfect. All right, so I have just cut up this delicious skirt steak. I'm going to dig in and let you guys know how delicious it is. All right, guys, we're at my favorite part. I'm gonna taste it and let you guys know how delicious it is. I got one. The potatoes are so packed with flavor and they're so soft inside. They go perfectly with that steak that is like butter. It has such a spicy kick, but not too much, along with the garlic from the sriracha. This one is definitely gonna be your favorite. Show all your friends that you're a grill master, I promise. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Michelle. Keep it here for more awesome grilling at Bussin Eats.